What's up, guys? My name is Sebastian Stratman. Hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll continue having one today. As requested by some of my TikTok comments, I am making potato soup out of the 4Runner. Just in the middle of nowhere. This is up the B all the way as far as you can go. The B is the Bonneville Trailhead. You can go a little bit farther up there, but as for terms of difficulty, this is an intermediate level, and it was kind of a pain in the ass to get up here, not gonna lie. But I'm thinking I'm going to take off my little seats there, park the 4Runner up there, and probably start the cooking process. I actually brought a table this time, so that'll help. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Megan found some pine needles and wants us to make her some tea, so that's what I'm doing. I got the 4Runner a little bit more even with a rock. I was gonna go up there, but that just sounds like a pain after I got everything unloaded. So today we're making potato soup from scratch. I've got some milk, flour, sour cream, some heavy cream, you know. I got the important stuff that you need. Besides that, I think I'm just gonna get to it. Garlic, all the goodies. So I'll show you how to make some potato soup. I gave him some already, but yeah, there's more. There's little baggies right over there. All right, so I got the garlic all chopped up and such. I'm gonna start working on the potatoes, but preliminary, I should mention that I did wash these beforehand because obviously I don't have enough water to wash these out here, so these are washed, so don't judge me. Anyway, I did want to, I guess, kind of mention why I'm doing this. So I've wanted to go camping for a while, and I really liked the idea of going overlanding, but it just hasn't really been a feasible option with the cost of certain tents, and we've failed multiple times. Like previous life, I should say, we lived out of our minivan for the longest time, and so that kind of led both of us to not really wanting to go do the whole camping in the 4Runner, in the back of the 4Runner at least. We tried it one time and it was miserable. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna buy a rooftop tent by the end of the year, and I wanna start going on trips, camping and such like that. I think it'll be super fun, but this is kind of the preliminary because I wanna get outside and I like cooking. So I figured I'd start cooking outside. I've seen other YouTubers do it, and I'm like, well, I mean, that's something I can do. As well as I do enjoy it. It is fun, and Megan gets to come out here and enjoy the wilderness, and so does Bandit. I know Bandit certainly loves it. I sold the car that started the channel, so if you scroll down, I have quite a few. I have a couple thousand followers, but 95% of those are because of my Infiniti Q60, which I just recently sold. So I'm trying to build back up my audience and just see what I can do with the overland community. I definitely love it. I obviously have a 4Runner. I've actually had two, and decided that this is what I wanted to do. So there's your little story. Is this gonna be your mug? I only know how to make this one way, so I brought two cups of milk, I have about one third of flour, some sour cream, and I think this is about 2/3 of heavy cream, and that'll make the majority of it. I'll season everything up with this. The Cajun seasoning is probably the most important part, that and the butter. So, all right, that's how it should look like at the start. Going with a ton of Cajun seasoning. I don't have a specific like tablespoon amount, but a lot. If it's not, doesn't look like a lot, it's not enough. And then potatoes, they need their salt. I love garlic, so I use garlic salt. You can use whatever you'd like. I got some bacon in that pan. Obviously this stuff in this pot, it's cooking up. It's probably gonna take a minute to boil, but that's all right.
Do I got extra bacon for Bandit? I do. I brought extra bacon for Bandit. Of course I did. Yeah.
Potato soup is starting to look like potato soup now. I think I might add the flour just because it's a little thin. But last time I did this, I added too much, so I got to be careful. I moved it back into the 4Runner just because it's super windy, and I'm scared it's going to knock over. So it's back in here. The bacon was cooked out there, and I think this is just going to cook a little bit faster if it's over a direct flame without wind hitting it every 5 seconds. But I was right on the money with bringing it inside the 4Runner because it is officially boiling, which is great news. So, to the person that requested this, I hope you're watching it, and I can say I will give it probably like a solid 9 out of 10. Only reason why it's not getting a 10 out of 10 is because it is a pain in the ass to cook while camping or overlanding, whatever you want to call this. This is really good. It's like a baked potato. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was probably a somewhat short one. I haven't edited yet, so who knows. But this is my 4th gen 4Runner. You guys saw my wife Megan and my dog Bandit. My name is Sebastian Stratman. I hope you guys are having a great day and continue having one. Peace.